welcome back to Creativity Queen. So today we're going to be making a beautiful choker out of glitter foam sheet. We can also try it in different colors with different colored glitter sheets. And you can also make a bracelet with the same process used in this choker. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at creativityqueen, and tell me in the comments if you like this choker. And here I've used pink and white glitter sheets. You can use whatever color you like to make a choker. So let's start. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and tell me your opinion about this video in the comment section. And today's shout out goes to these 3 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing, and thank you all for your support. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.